When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have ordained, what is man that you are mindful of him, and the Son of Man that you visit him? Early in the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus realized that the Earth and the other planets revolved around the Sun, where previously it had been thought that the Earth was at the center of the universe and everything else revolved around us. In many ways, mankind still places himself at the center of the universe. King David had a better God-centric perspective. He wrote, "By the word of the Lord the heavens were made, and all the host of them by the breath of his mouth." Let us consider then the heavens, the work of God's hand, and glimpse his awesome power in creation. In doing so, we will begin to see ourselves in better perspective and marvel that our Creator is so mindful of us. We will start with our home, the Earth, and its place in the solar system. This is the first view mankind has had of our home from another world. It was taken from the moon by the Apollo 8 mission in 1968. This is a composite picture of the solar system showing the planets to scale. Imagine the size of the Sun. To get an idea of the relative distances involved, an imaginary scale model will be helpful. Imagine the Sun is a ball 6 inches in diameter, the size of a melon. The Earth is represented by a peppercorn, 1.3 millimeters in diameter. To get the perspective right, the Earth has to be placed 53 feet 8 inches away. Place a peppercorn nearly 54 feet away and try to spot it. It takes the light from the Sun 8 minutes to reach us at 186,000 miles a second. Neptune, the furthest of the gas planets, is 1,616 feet away, 30 times further than the Earth. It takes 4 hours for the Sun's light to reach it. This animation shows our Sun in relation to some others in our galaxy. The largest is a red supergiant and is 1,420 times larger than our Sun. If it replaced our Sun, it would extend out between the orbits of Jupiter and Saturn. It is 38,000 times brighter than our Sun. This photo was taken by the Voyager 1 probe 4 billion miles from Earth, beyond even Pluto, the farthest planet in the solar system, which is 3.66 billion miles from the Sun. The spot of faint light in the center is our home. This is a construct of our galaxy. It is estimated that our galaxy contains 100 billion stars. Our Sun is somewhere about here, near the outer edge of the galaxy. On this scale, our solar system is not even visible. The galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across. At the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, or 5.66 trillion miles a year, it would take 100,000 years to travel from one side of our galaxy to the other. If you represent our solar system with a penny, the Milky Way would be represented by North America. No wonder we can't see it. If the distances involved in our solar system are astounding, the size of our galaxy is beyond comprehension. This picture was taken by the Hubble Ultra Deep Field Camera, and the images are so far away that the exposure was 1 million seconds long to capture them. These are galaxies that are 12 billion. That's 12,000 million light years away. That's as far as we can see with existing technology. Just how big is the universe? This is the Whirlpool Galaxy, 23 million light years away. Look at this view of the core. For as high as the heavens are above the earth, so great is His mercy toward those who fear Him. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows His handiwork. Day unto day utters speech, and night unto night reveals knowledge. There is no speech, no language, where their voice is not heard. Their line has gone out through all the earth, and their words to the end of the world. In them He has set a tabernacle for the sun, which is like a bridegroom coming out of his chamber, and rejoices like a strong man to run its race. Its rising is from one end of heaven, and its circuit to the other end, and there is nothing hidden from its heat.